Oil-filled radiator heaters might seem pretty similar at first glance, right? Same designs, same specs, but trust me, there are hidden differences that can make or break your winter warmth. Before you make a choice, let's uncover what truly matters. Product number 1, Dr. Infrared Heater Dr. 968. First up, we have the Dr. Infrared Heater Dr. 968. This beauty caught my eye with its sleek cherry finish and impressive claims. Priced around $111.24, it's an investment worth considering if you want a powerful heating solution for your larger rooms. So what makes this heater stand out? You're looking at around 5,200 BTUs here. That's notably higher than many competitors. Plus, it's packed with safety features like tip-over protection and overheat shutdown so you can rest easy. Using it is a breeze with the remote control and electronic thermostat, allowing you to adjust the temperature between 50 and 85 degrees. Now I'll be real with you. Some users expressed frustration about the weight of this unit. At 19 pounds, it's not the easiest to move around, which could be a deal breaker if portability is crucial for you. But if you need reliable heat for a larger space, it's still a solid choice. This heater is perfect for you if you want a powerful heater for larger areas. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to transport. For the performance and features, I'd say it's a good value for your money. Now, if that weight issue bothered you, the next product might be a game changer in terms of portability. Product number 2, PELONIS Radiator Heater. Next up is the PELONIS Radiator Heater, priced at $90.68. I love the design of this one. It looks sleek in black and comes with dual knobs for easy adjustments. If you want efficient heating without the noise, this is worth checking out. This heater can heat your whole space quickly thanks to its 1500 W power. That flexibility is perfect for saving on energy bills while keeping warm. The best part? It operates silently, making it perfect for bedrooms or offices where noise can be a distraction. Safety features like tip-over protection and overheat protection are also included, ensuring peace of mind. However, a few users mentioned that the knobs can be a bit stiff, which might be frustrating if you're frequently adjusting the temperature. But here's the thing, once you set it, you might not need to touch it much anyway. This is perfect for you if you need a quiet heater for a medium to large space. Skip this one if you want a heater with a remote control. For the price, this heater offers great value for its efficiency and safety features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for energy-conscious buyers. Product number 3, PELONIS 2025 Upgraded Oil-Filled Heater. Coming in hot, we have the PELONIS 2025 Upgraded Oil-Filled Heater. Priced at $90.68, this one's gaining popularity with over 2,000 units sold recently. If you're looking for even heat distribution, this might just be what you need. This means a more efficient warmth spread, ideal for chilly corners in your home. With 600W, 900W, and 1500W options, you can adjust the power based on your needs. Plus, it operates silently, which is fantastic if you're trying to relax or focus. But some reviews mention that it takes a little while to warm up initially. Here's the thing though, once it gets going, you're in for consistent warmth that lasts even after it's switched off. This heater is perfect for you if you want efficient heating that's quiet and effective. Skip this one if you need immediate heat since it takes a bit longer to warm the space. For its performance and sleek design, it's definitely worth the price. Now, if you're after a heater with remote control, the next product has you covered. Product number 4, Amazon Basics Oil Space Heater. Next, we have the Amazon Basics Oil Space Heater. Priced at $109.41, this unit comes with a remote control, which is a huge plus when you want to adjust the temperature without getting up. If you're looking for convenience, this one's a solid contender. This model boasts 3 heat settings, high, medium, and low, allowing you to tailor the warmth to your comfort level. The 7 oil-filled fins ensure even heat distribution, which is crucial for staying warm during those cold nights. Plus, it's whisper quiet so it won't disrupt your sleep. However, some users pointed out that it can take a bit longer to heat up compared to others. Here's my take: once it's heated, the warmth lingers long after you've turned it off, which can actually be an energy saver. This is perfect for you if you value convenience and quiet operation. Skip this one if you prefer a heater that warms up instantly. Given its features, it's a great value considering you get a remote control at this price. Now, if you like the idea of an upgraded version in terms of design, let's check out our last product. Product number 5, Pelinus 2025 Upgraded White Oil Heater. Finally, we have the Pelinus 2025 Upgraded White Oil Heater. Also priced at $90.68, this model is a stylish alternative if you prefer a lighter color in your decor. If aesthetics are important to you while still getting functionality, you might want to consider this one. The 600W, 900W, and 1500W modes let you save on energy while keeping your space cozy. Safety is also a priority here with its tip-over and overheat protection. That said, some customers mention that the white finish can show dirt easily. Here's the thing though, if you keep it in a place where it's not getting dirty often, that shouldn't be a major issue. Plus, a quick wipe will have it looking good as new. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient heater that looks good in your home. Skip this one if you're concerned about maintenance since the white color might require more cleaning. For its energy efficiency and design, it's a great option at this price point. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 great oil-filled radiator heaters. The Dr. Infrared is powerful for larger spaces. Pelinus offers quiet efficiency. The upgraded Pelinus heaters provide even heat. Amazon Basics gives you convenience with a remote, and the Pelinus White model adds style to functionality. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be the right fit for you this winter.